We'll guide you through how to use Trello for personal use. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello's website on your desktop and log into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Trello dashboard. To start organizing your personal tasks, you need to create a new board. Click on the Create New Board button, which is usually found on the main dashboard. Name your board something relevant, like personal tasks or home projects. Choose a background color or image that you like, as this will be the backdrop for your board, making it personalized and visually appealing. After creating your board, you'll be directed to an empty board where you can start adding lists. Lists are columns that help you categorize tasks, such as to do, in progress, and done. You can add a list by clicking on the Add a List button. Once your lists are set up, you can start adding cards to each list. Cards represent individual tasks or items you need to manage. Click on Add a card under the appropriate list, then enter the details of the task. For more detailed tasks, click on the card to open it. Here, you can add descriptions, due dates, checklists, and attachments. You can also assign labels for easy identification. If you're collaborating with others, you can invite them to your board by clicking the Invite button at the top. This way, you can share tasks and communicate directly through Trello. As you complete tasks, simply drag the cards from one list to another, like moving them from in progress to done. This visual movement helps you easily track your progress. Trello also integrates with other apps, so you can connect it with your Google Calendar or Slack for even more efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.